Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sanlitun, Beijing, where fashion, art, and pop culture come together in one of the city's most vibrant shopping districts. Sanlitun is known for luxury brands, flagship stores, and creative pop-up experiences that attract thousands of visitors every day. But during my visit, one display stood out from everything else. It wasn't a fashion brand, it wasn't a technology exhibition. It was Hello Kitty and Dear Daniel, the Beast Home huge pavilion in the heart of Sanlitun. Before I even reached the entrance, I noticed a long queue stretching outside the pavilion. Young people were patiently waiting, excited for their chance to step inside. Most were Chinese, although there were plenty of international visitors as well. What really caught my attention was how many young women had come specifically for this experience. So what exactly is it? Hello Kitty, one of Sanrio's most iconic characters, has been loved around the world for decades. Alongside her is Dear Daniel, her childhood friend and official boyfriend. While Hello Kitty is instantly recognizable worldwide, Dear Daniel appears much less often, making collaborations featuring both characters especially popular among Sanrio fans. The TBH in the name refers to the Beast Home, a well-known Chinese lifestyle brand famous for creating beautifully designed collaborations with globally recognized characters. Rather than opening ordinary retail stores, TBH creates immersive experiences where shopping, photography, and storytelling come together in one place. Curiosity got the better of me, so let's go inside. Walking into the pavilion felt like entering the colorful world of Hello Kitty and Dear Daniel. Every corner was thoughtfully designed with bright displays, themed decorations, and exclusive collections that immediately caught your eye. It wasn't simply shelves filled with products. Every section felt like its own miniature exhibition. The range of merchandise was enormous. There were t-shirts, hoodies, caps, mugs, tumblers, cushions, plush toys, handbags, keychains, figurines, collectible accessories, home decor, stationery, shoes, sunglasses, makeup, and many other limited edition items that fans couldn't easily find elsewhere. Every product carried the unmistakable charm of the famous Sanrio couple. Some visitors spent their time carefully browsing the collections, while others excitedly compared products before deciding what to buy. Many left carrying large shopping bags filled with exclusive souvenirs from the collaboration. But surprisingly, the products weren't the biggest attraction. What fascinated me most was watching how people interacted with the space itself. Almost everywhere I looked, someone was filming. Groups of friends were recording videos together. Girls were taking photos in front of the themed displays. Young women were adjusting their camera angles, changing poses, fixing their outfits, and recording multiple takes to create the perfect short video for social media. It almost felt like a professional content studio rather than a retail shop. The pavilion had become a destination where people came not only to shop, but to create memories and share them online. It perfectly reflects a growing trend in China, where many branded pop-up experiences are designed around participation as much as purchasing. Beautiful displays, exclusive merchandise, and highly photogenic spaces encourage visitors to become part of the experience instead of simply observing it. Standing there, it became clear that this wasn't just about Hello Kitty and Dear Daniel. It was about how entertainment, retail, and social media have merged into a completely new kind of consumer experience in China. No wonder so many people were willing to wait in line. Let's continue exploring this incredible Hello Kitty and Dear Daniel experience together. Keep watching to discover more hidden stories. If you enjoy uncovering places like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more journeys across China. I am Masked Woman Uncovered, and let's continue the video.